In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $2.4 million day trading small, tiny cryptocurrencies. Most of these had a very small market cap. I'll show you exactly how I did it, what processes I used, and so on. Now, day trading is obviously really risky. I lost a lot of money at different times, but in the overall, I've now made $2.4 million. So I can show you exactly how to do that, what the process is, and all that. If you haven't watched my video yet on how to spot good cryptocurrencies, there's a video on my channel for helping with that exactly. But right now I'm going to show you how to day trade very small cryptocurrencies, when to pull out, and exactly how to make the profits that I've made. Now, before you actually start day trading, it's really important to understand the fundamentals of cryptocurrency. Because if you understand what makes a cryptocurrency go up, what makes it stick, and what makes certain cryptocurrencies fall and lose all their value, once you understand those things, it will give you a much better idea of how to day trade. For example, Dogecoin has a lot of coins in circulation. And so if you understand that the price will remain relatively small, but the market cap will keep going up, that gives you an idea of what kind of coins you should trade, how likely the coin is to go up in value, and so on. For example, if there's a massive amounts of coins in circulation and there's more constantly being created, the value is not likely to rise very quickly. So you do need to understand the essence of the cryptocurrency you're day trading, and that will give you an idea of which ones to day trade and which ones not to day trade. For example, one cryptocurrency I day traded, I understood exactly how likely it was to go up, and I predicted it almost correctly. I ended up actually missing some profits in the end because I sold a little bit too early, but I still made really decent profits. So understand cryptocurrency. Go look up guides, watch my YouTube videos, and understand exactly what makes certain cryptos tick. And once you understand how likely the crypto is to rise in price, for example, if there's not a lot of coins like Bitcoin, it's likely to go up in price, and that can help you understand exactly when to pull out and when not to pull out. So that is the first step. Understand your cryptocurrencies. Now, I actually used two different strategies in tandem with each other in order to maximize my profits. One of those strategies held cryptocurrency for a longer period of time, so that had natural growth, and also it helped me to make money. And then the second method was the one that I actually used to sell the cryptocurrency at the right time. Now, of course, you can't really time any market perfectly, but I did actually get a lot of growth, and I actually only missed out on one coin majorly. It rose by like a massive amount, and I actually missed that. Now, the way I did it is I had a program that monitored the prices and alerted me anytime a price went a certain distance or a certain height. And then I would quickly monitor hundreds of different cryptocurrencies. Even if I just put $1 or $10 into each cryptocurrency, I would monitor many of them at once. And then anytime one showed promise or started to go up, or I noticed that someone was dumping money into it, I would quickly put more of my money into it. And over time, I put more and more money into different cryptos that showed promise. And then I used a strategy that I'm going to discuss a little bit later in order to figure out when the dump was likely to happen. So pump and dump. Now, the way this works, it's really important to pay attention to this because you could lose money. If you're not monitoring 24/7 like I was, it's really hard. It would wake me up with alarms in the middle of the night. It's just the way it is. If you want to make money day trading, you got to be aggressive as heck. You got to be super aggressive, but you can do it, and this is how I did it exactly. So my first strategy was putting as many eggs into as many baskets as possible and monitoring those prices. The reason I put money in is because even if you put $5, if it rises by 100%, that's still nice profit right there in 1 minute. So that's what I did for that. And then obviously I put more money into them as it went. So that was my first strategy, and that did make me insane amounts of money. Like I was just dancing around my house in excitement. It was crazy. Now, the second strategy does involve a bit of math. It's a bit of a complicated formula. However, before you get scared off by the numbers, please just pay attention, like sit down, get a pencil and pen, and get ready to write it down, because once you actually understand the formula, it's really not that complicated, and you'll be able to plug in the values and understand exactly when you're likely to need to sell. Once you sell correctly, you'll see that the formula is correct most of the time, although not every time. So obviously, anytime you day trade, you need to make sure you pay attention. What's the date today? It's April 1st, right? April Fool's. So I probably stopped using it about 10 days ago, but it's still a really great formula. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use this formula to your advantage. And then hopefully you can also not be fooled by other formulas on April Fool's Day. So the way it works is you have to make sure that you don't day trade, because you're going to lose all your money. And really, anyone who shows you that they've made money day trading is not showing you all their losses. So really, I wouldn't recommend doing that at all, because I haven't made 2.4 million. It's obviously an April Fool's joke, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have an incredible day. Don't get fooled by anyone else if you already have, and if you probably didn't get fooled by this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it a little bit. I had fun making it. It's a little short, fun video. I have not made 2.4 million day trading. Nope, not at all. I did make a little bit back in the day, but not anywhere close to 2.4 million. Anyways, have an incredible day. Click like if you were not fooled, and comment if you were fooled. Let me know why you were fooled. I'm kidding. Don't let me know. It's fine. That's it. Thank you so much and have an incredible day.